5 proven secrets to build resilient teams in 2025. In 2025, the only constant is change. As leaders, you're not just navigating challenges, you're steering your team through uncertainty, competition, and disruption. So, let me ask you, is your team ready to adapt, innovate, and thrive in the face of change? In today's video, I'm sharing 5 proven strategies to build resilient teams. These are the secrets that will empower your team to handle anything the future throws their way. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tools to transform your leadership and take your team to the next level. Stick around, because resilience isn't just a buzzword. It's the key to long-term success. Number 1, foster a culture of psychological safety. Why it matters. Resilient teams thrive on trust and openness. When your team members feel safe to express ideas, admit mistakes, and take calculated risks, they become more innovative and collaborative. Here are some practical solutions. Create an environment where all voices are valued. Ask for input from everyone during meetings. Respond to mistakes with curiosity, not judgment. Say things like, "What can we learn from this?" instead of assigning blame. Lead by example. Share your own challenges and what you've learned from them to encourage vulnerability and growth. And be open and transparent at all times. Number 2, encourage flexibility and adaptability. This is so important, because in today's fast-changing world, sticking rigidly to a plan can be a recipe for failure. Resilient teams can pivot when circumstances demand it, without losing focus or morale. Here are some practical things that you can do. Implement agile practices like weekly check-ins or retrospectives to review progress and make adjustments. Encourage your team to see change as an opportunity, not a setback. Reframe challenges by asking, what new possibilities does this bring? Equip your team with cross-training to ensure they can step into multiple roles when needed. Number 3, build trust through consistent leadership. Your leadership evolves around trust. Without trust, resilience crumbles. Teams need to believe in their leader's vision and know that their leader has their back. Take action and be transparent. Share the why behind your decisions, even when it's tough. Transparency builds trust and reduces uncertainty. Follow through. If you commit to something, deliver on it. Broken promises erode trust faster than anything else. Recognize contributions. Celebrate team wins, big or small. Acknowledging effort fuels morale and fosters loyalty. Number 4, develop skills for problem solving and innovation. Why it matters. Resilient teams don't get stuck. They find solutions. They never accept no for an answer. When challenges arise, they approach them with creativity and resourcefulness. Here are some practical solutions. Host regular brainstorming sessions focused on how might we? Questions to spark innovative thinking. Encourage team members to share lessons learned from past projects, especially ones that didn't go as planned. Invest in professional development, such as problem-solving workshops or training on innovative tools and techniques. And finally, strategy number 5. Prioritize well-being and balance. Why it matters. Burnout kills resilience. Teams that prioritize mental and physical well-being are not only happier, but also more productive and creative. Again, here are some practical solutions. Offer flexible work arrangements to accommodate different lifestyles and needs. Schedule team moments of celebration and downtime to recharge. Regularly check in with your team on how they're feeling, not just what they're working on. A simple, "How are you doing?" can make a huge difference. Resilience isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about thriving through them. By fostering psychological safety, encouraging adaptability, building trust, developing problem-solving skills, and prioritizing well-being, you're setting your team up for success, not just in 2025, but for years to come. Now, it's your turn. Which of these strategies will you implement first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable leadership insights. Let's make 2025 the year you and your team thrive.